Hi everyone and welcome to MathSux. This video is going to help you pass the Algebra Common Core Regents. So we're doing this one question at a time. Here is question 28. Factor x to the fourth minus 16 completely. So this is a nice, easy question because we're just factoring, and if you know all the factoring methods and are familiar with them, you'll notice that this is a dots question or a difference of two squares. So because we have a minus sign, and we have perfect squares, so both of our terms are perfect squares. So if we have all of these things together, we know that we're going to be doing dots. So to do dots, we're going to make a double bubble or double parentheses, whatever you want to call it. Then we're going to have a plus sign and a minus sign. And now we're just going to take the square root of each term and put it into our parentheses. So the square root of x to the fourth is x squared. So we're going to put that here and put that here. So we're going to keep the same order of our terms. And then the square root of 16 is 4. So we're going to put that here and here, the remaining part of our parentheses. So we're almost done, so you might think we are done, but notice that this actually also qualifies as a dots. This can also be factored. This, we're done with this being factored, so we could just bring this down. But this over here, notice we have the same ingredients for a dots factoring. So we have a minus sign, and then we have x squared, which is a perfect square, and we have 4, which is a perfect square. So we'll do the same exact thing where we make a double bubble, a plus sign and a minus sign, and then we're going to take the square root of each term. So the square root of x squared is just x, and then the square root of 4 is just 2. So then this is our final answer. So it'll give you step-by-step solution of how we did dots. So I'm just going to write down the steps we took on the right here. So we recognized it was dots. So this is just the dots factoring method, but there's so many other kinds of factoring methods, especially when it comes to quadratic equations. So I happen to have a video on all the different kinds of factoring methods there are, and so please check that out in the top right hand corner of this video if you need a refresher on that. So if you're looking for more on this test, check out the playlist in the link below. And thanks for stopping by. Happy calculating. Need more practice? Check out MathSux.org for more questions. Link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Happy calculating!